In this enlightening video, we delve into the ubiquitous, but often overlooked phenomenon of friction and its profound impact on our everyday experiences. From the moment we wake up to our evening routines, friction plays a crucial role in shaping how we interact with the world around us. How friction enables us to walk, drive, and even enjoy recreational activities like sports. Explore its significance in household tasks, from opening doors to cooking meals. We'll also uncover its vital role in technological advancements, manufacturing processes, and essential industries. Whether you're curious about the science behind why things move or interested in practical applications, this video offers valuable insights into the fundamentals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to expand your knowledge and appreciation for one of nature's most fundamental forces.